Hello, and welcome to this episode of Dorm Dishes. Today, we're doing a continuation of our breakfast theme and making a super quick, super easy, and super basic egg sandwich. For the basic egg sandwich, you're going to want 5 main ingredients: eggs, cheese, bacon or sausage, English muffins, and butter. To start, spread some butter into the pan and place your English muffins down in the pan. This gets them nice and warm with a little bit of that extra buttery crispness. Then, crack your eggs into the pan and scramble them. I like to scramble mine in the pan because this adds a level of fluffiness that you wouldn't get if you scrambled them in a cup beforehand. Next, place your cheese on the egg. Cook until the cheese is melty. Finally, it's time to cook your bacon or sausage. Gently place it into the pan and cook until as crispy as you like. This is a very basic egg sandwich. You can spice yours up by frying your egg instead of scrambling it for that yolky goodness, or you can put some avocado and seasoned salt on it for an avocado toast egg sandwich. However you make it, take a big bite and enjoy.